Alright, so my SD card got filled earlier. I got the tank cover on. This is probably the hardest part so far, just because of all the bends and the curves here. Just have to push down really hard, get the film to stretch. I do have an air bubble right here. I don't know if you can see it, but I'll see if I need to pull this piece up forward a little bit and get it out. Hopefully I can lay it back down without this portion of it coming up. So yeah, you just need to keep working it on using the squeegee just to push. It's going to take you a few times to pulling it off, pushing it back on, using your hand, just trying to stretch it very slightly, or else you'll get it to rip. You don't want it to rip. It started to right here. I don't know if you can see that very well or not, but that's where I'm at. Sorry I didn't film this part of it because SD card filled up, but I have another one now, so hopefully I'll continue on with the rest of the install.
Okay.